The SNK series offers 3 exclusive connection technologies. The screw clamp technology, the heavy-duty connection, ensures a reliable and safe screw connection for more than 70 years. The patented PI spring technology provides the benefits of both push-in and spring technologies in one connection. Lastly, the pluggable technology allows a plug-and-play connection, increases productivity, and contributes to secure the installation. SNK series is specifically designed to ease panels manufacturing and provides significant productivity savings at all steps of a project. From design to assembling, maintenance, and logistics. Speed up your projects thanks to our smart connection technologies that allow higher productivity and match more than 80% of worldwide practices. Our clamp is made of hardened steel that makes the connection very reliable. The exclusive anti-release system reduces the needs for retightening campaigns and offers high torque resistance. The flap avoids the insertion underneath the clamp. The PI spring technology offers the benefits of 2 technologies in one connection. Take advantage of the push-in mode for a direct one-step insertion of wire with efficiency and speed. Or prefer the spring mode with screwdriver, well adapted to long series that provides a reduced effort and conductor preparation time. Pluggable technology optimizes every manufacturing operation. It allows sub-assemblies concepts using serialized production of the harness while securing on-site installation thanks to a coding system, and up to 90% mounting time savings when using PI spring and pluggable connections. One mindset for our media tools. Simplicity combined with enriched technical database. Experience our exclusive tools. Interactive online catalog with direct access to 3D drawings, datasheets, videos, and Easy Rail Designer 3D, the software that optimizes the rail assembly creation processes. Streamline your marking thanks to our flat and large marking surface that allows quick pre-marking before the final installation. SNK series is easy to install and reduces mounting time by up to 70% thanks to our screwless accessories and functions, such as snap-on ground connection, plug-in jumpers, plug-in test devices and test connectors, locking devices, end stops, and markers. The asymmetrical shape prevents risks of short circuits through immediate visual check in case of reverse terminal block, while offering the best marking visibility from any direction. The clever design of our accessories streamlines the assembling process. Our plug-in jumpers are rated 1000 volts and doesn't require any separators when installed. They are available from 2 to 50 poles for reduced inventory. To perform alternate jumpering, our plug-in jumpers integrate pre-cut poles that can be removed without tools and leave a clean cut. The cut poles can be easily identified with a pen thanks to predefined shapes and molding. Simply push your component into our screwless component holder to insert it in series with the circuit. Our parallel component plug allows insertion of components between 2 standard blocks without touching the wiring. A great feature for troubleshooting operations. Simply push it into the double central channels. Our isolated test devices allow simple voltage test when plugged into the central channel, while our test connector can be configured to test up to 15 circuits at a time. Simply snap the various parts together to create your own connector to measure, inject current, or voltage signals. Spacings can be mixed together. The connector is guaranteed for 1,000 volts and 10,000 operations. Thanks to a special shape, markers cannot slide or fall off the terminal block. Markers are interchangeable. The smaller marker can fit any bigger block. Our rotating market holder fits on any 5.2 mm spacing terminal block and accepts up to 3 markers. The rotating function simplifies the wiring on multi-level terminal blocks while providing high marking visibility. For automation applications, protect signal integrity with our shield connector by simply using plastic collars to connect the cable shield onto the connector. Reduce your inventory by 50% with SNK series thanks to the use of common accessories between SNK PI spring, screw clamp, and pluggable technologies. Many accessories are rationalized to fit several blocks. On screw clamp range technology, use only one end section for all sizes. And on PI spring range technology, one circuit separator is common to 62 different terminal blocks. The SNK series range is available in a large choice of variants and wire sizes. Screw clamp up to 240 mm squared, 500 kc mil. PI spring up to 16 mm square, 4 AWG. Pluggable up to 4 mm squared, 10 AWG. SNK series terminal blocks provide solutions for worldwide applications and are qualified for the most severe environments. Industrial applications, commercial and building, solar applications such as combiner boxes in photovoltaic installations, hazardous locations, rolling stock and infrastructure, and marine. Discover today SNK series, the innovative range.